In today's video, we're going to work on graphing a rectangle, and it'll be a reflection over the x-axis. So if we have a problem like this that says graph ABCD after a reflection over the x-axis. So we have a rectangle here. Well, it's actually a square, and we're going to reflect it over the x-axis. Step 1, understand what a reflection is. A reflection flips a figure over a line to create a mirror image. So this is the line that we're going to reflect from. Okay, we will reflect over the x-axis. Next step, for a reflection over the x-axis, the y-coordinate changes sign. Okay, the y-coordinate changes sign. So label the x and y coordinates for A, B, C, D, the ones we have, so that we know what they are. So A, we could see is 3, 6. B is 6, 6. C is 6, 3. D is 3, 3. Okay? Those are x and y coordinates. Now, we can reflect point A over the x-axis. So let's do that. So point A is 6 units above the x-axis, so A prime is 6 units below the x-axis. So it's going to be reflected all the way down here. So the y-coordinate changes sign. So A prime is 3, 6. You could see 3 and then -6. 3, -6. Now reflect point B over the x-axis. And you follow the same steps. Point B is 6 units above the x-axis, so B prime is going to be 6 units below the x-axis. So it's here. And its units are 6, -6. 6, -6. Okay? Now reflect C and D by changing the sign of the y-coordinate. So what we're going to see here for C, 6, this 6 stays the same and then the 3 changes sign to -3, just like these ones. 3 stayed the same and the 6 changed sign. 6 stayed the same and this 6 changed sign for the y-coordinate. So here we're going to have 6 minus 3. And when we plot it, we see it's over here. 6 minus 3. And now for D, it's going to be 3 minus 3 for D prime. 3 minus 3. And then we plot it. 3 minus 3. So we just draw it, and that's how it looks. And that's the end of this lesson. Just remember here that the y-coordinates have changed sign. So when you do a reflection over the x-axis, you just change the sign of the y-coordinate. And that's the rule. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are like this. As well, make sure to download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find this exact lesson in it. You could follow along as you watch the video. There's actually a link in the ebook that'll take you right to this video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.